If your Nintendo JoyCon controller lights aren't turning on at all, it can look like the controller is completely dead. So in this video, I'm going to show you the steps that you can take to bring it back to life. So let's get started. Fix 1. Charge your JoyCon properly. First, make sure your Switch is turned on and fully charged. Attach the JoyCon directly to the Switch console. Leave it docked for at least 30 minutes and plug your device with the official Nintendo charger. Sometimes if the battery is drained too low, the lights won't turn on right away. After 30 minutes, detach it and check if the lights blink when you press any buttons. Fix 2. Reset the JoyCon. On the side of your JoyCon, press the small round sync button once. Then press and hold the same button until the lights start flashing, or try again if they don't. This can help revive the controller if it's stuck in a non-responsive state. Fix 3. Power cycle the console. Reattach your JoyCons with your Switch, then hold down the power button on top of your Switch for about 5 seconds. Now choose power options and tap restart. When your Switch restarts with your JoyCons, it may trigger them back to life. But if that doesn't work, then do the opposite. Detach the JoyCons, then restart your Nintendo Switch once again with the process I have shown. Once the Switch restarts, reattach your JoyCon and see if the lights respond. Fix 4. Try resyncing the JoyCon. From the Switch home menu, go to Controllers and then select Change Grip/Order. Detach your JoyCons. Now press and hold the sync button on your JoyCon until the lights start blinking. If the lights flash now, that means the controller is still functional and can be repaired. So those were the fixes you can try to fix it if the JoyCon controller lights are not turning on. If your problem did not get fixed by the tutorial, it's likely because your JoyCons have hardware issues. You can fix it by contacting Nintendo support for a repair or just buy a new one if you don't want to face the warranty hassle. And that's all for today. And I really hope this video helped you out. If it did, then hit that like button. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.